Hey guys, back with another video from my addicted blogging channel. So in this video we will discuss about the dark side of the Amazfit GTS 2 mini smartwatch. So Amazfit GTS 2 mini has been there for a while and this became one of the best smartwatches in the budget segment category, and recently Amazfit has released the new version of the Amazfit GTS 2 mini. So in this video we will see how Amazfit became one of the best selling smartwatches in the budget segment category, and then there came a problem in this smartwatch which changed the way people look in the Amazfit GTS 2 mini smartwatch, and at the end how Amazfit turned that problem into profits by releasing a sneaky little video up there which ultimately helped Amazfit to sell more smartwatches in the other lineup. So this will be a very important video, and watch the video till the end because from this video we will be learning a lot of business lessons out there, and you can use these lessons also in your business to make it profitable in the long run. So as always, this video will be a sick video guys, and if you are taking shares, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up because I will be making more videos like this. So let's start. So in 1st December 2020, the Amazfit GTS 2 mini is released, and at that time no one was offering a single device with so many features. It came with AMOLED display, Alexa, the always on display, and also a lot of customization features, and at that time this watch became a hit at the price of 6,999, the only watch to offer it all. It came with all the important features like the SpO2 measurement, the all-day heart rate tracking, the sleep monitoring, and the stress monitoring also, and it came with some bonus features like the compass, the biometric sensor, and all the important features you will be getting in this Amazfit GTS 2 mini. The only thing is you cannot reply to messages and you cannot take phone calls, which is not that much important, and in the budget in which it came, this offered one of the best features in the smartwatch category. So Amazfit GTS 2 mini is an instant hit at that time, and then in the second part there came a big problem in the smartwatch. The problem is the black screen issue. We all know that Amazfit GTS 2 mini came with a black screen issue problem in where it just doesn't respond to touches and you cannot operate your Amazfit GTS 2 mini for 2 to 3 minutes at that time. So the black screen problem becomes such a painful problem for this watch that people are unable to use this smartwatch in the important times, and also they miss important notifications and other important updates in the smartwatch because of the black screen issue. And we all let Amazfit know about that problem at that time, and people complained in the Twitter and other social media handles about the black screen issue, but Amazfit responded that it will be fixed in the later updates. So we all waited for the fix, but a fix never came in the Amazfit GTS 2 mini. Amazfit GTS 2 mini became a super hit device, but with a big problem, the black screen problem, and at that time Amazfit knew that this watch has a big problem, the black screen issue. So instead of solving the black screen issue in the Amazfit GTS 2 mini, they launched their new lineup of smartwatches, the Amazfit GTS 3 and the GTS 3 series. And while launching the Amazfit GTS 3 series, they promoted the device with one ad. So let's watch this ad first and understand why they have used this type of ad to promote the Amazfit GTR and the GTS 3 series smartwatches. So I will be playing the ad. I may need to mute the ad at the end also. If I have muted the ad, I will be leaving the link of this ad in the description also so that you can watch the full ad from there. So let's understand why they have produced this ad. They may go on with another ad also, but why this type of ads? So here it is shown that a girl is running with some smartwatch which is not responding, and then she fell down because the watch is not responding. At the same time, another girl came who has no issue with the non-responsiveness in her watch, and is using the watch really well. And this is the introduction to the Amazfit GTS 3 series and the Amazfit GTR series, you can say. So why they have used this ad? So there can be two possibilities. Amazfit already knew that there is a screen hang issue in the Amazfit GTS 2 Mini, so they could have fixed it, but they used that problem to launch the Amazfit GTS 3 series. And guess what is the USP of the Amazfit GTS 3 smartwatch? The USP of the Amazfit GTS 3 smartwatch is the fluid UI and how fast this smartwatch is. All smartwatches of the Amazfit GTS 3 series are super fluid and super responsive. So they understood the problem in the Amazfit GTS 2 Mini. They could have fixed then and there, or they could have fixed at a later point of time with future updates. But they used the problem of the Amazfit GTS 2 Mini to release the Amazfit GTS 3 series smartwatch, which has the best smooth UI and fluid UI, you can say, and is one of the most responsive smartwatch, with one ad which also denotes that the non-responsiveness of the Amazfit GTS 2 Mini. So all big companies, what they do, they turn problems into the profits, and this is also one of the dark side of the Amazfit GTS 2 Mini, which they turned their problem into a profitable selling point for the Amazfit GTS 3 smartwatches. Not only Amazfit uses these problems to make profits in their companies, big companies like Apple and other companies also do this. You will never see these things. A phone with all the features in it, an Apple phone with all the features of the Android phone like fast charging, split screen, and same goes with the smartwatches also. You will not see a smartwatch with all the features in it. And at the end, this is bonus for you. We can predict that the Amazfit GTS 2 Mini, the new version, will not have the black screen issue in there. So this is how the big companies turn their biggest disadvantages into their advantages and then make profits out of it. So this is the thing I wanted to tell you guys, the dark side of the Amazfit GTS 2 Mini in this video. That's it guys. I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. So thank you guys. Have a great day. Thank you.